Hello, and welcome to this walkthrough of the MainWP Browser Extension. The MainWP Browser Extension gives you a quick way to check important MainWP Dashboard activity from your browser toolbar without opening the full dashboard every time. Before connecting it, there are a few requirements to keep in mind. You'll need Chrome 116 or later, or a Chromium-based browser that supports Manifest v3. You'll also need MainWP Dashboard 5.2 or later with an HTTPS URL. To install the Chrome extension, open the Chrome Web Store page, add the extension to Chrome, and confirm the installation. Once it's installed, pin the MainWP icon to your toolbar so it's easy to access. Now let's connect it to your MainWP dashboard. First, go to the WP admin of your dashboard, then Settings, then Permalinks. Make sure the permalink structure is set to anything other than plain. Next, open your MainWP dashboard and go to MainWP, API Access, Add API Keys. Give the key a name, such as Browser Extension. For monitoring updates and cost tracker data, read permission is enough. If you also want to start, pause, stop, or create time tracker tasks from the browser extension, enable the write capable permission option for the key. After creating the key, copy the API key bearer token and store it securely. The token is shown only when the key is created. Then, save the key. The key will not be active until it is saved in the dashboard. Now open the MainWP icon from your browser toolbar. On the welcome screen, enter your full MainWP dashboard URL. Make sure the URL starts with HTTPS and points to the site root, not the WP-admin URL. Then paste the bearer token into the bearer token field and click Connect Dashboard. Chrome will ask for permission to allow the extension to access your dashboard origin. Allow that request so the extension can communicate with your self-hosted dashboard. Once the connection is successful, choose what you want the extension to monitor. You can include WordPress updates, plugin updates, theme updates, translation updates, and non-MainWP changes. You can also choose the sync frequency and select the extension theme. When you're ready, click Start Monitoring. From here, the toolbar badge gives you a quick status check. You may see two numbers separated by a hyphen. The first number is the total count of pending updates across WordPress core, plugins, themes, and translations. The second number is the count of non-MainWP changes. When a time tracker timer is running, the badge changes to show live elapsed time. Once the timer stops, the update counts return. Open the extension and go to Updates to review pending updates. The Pending Updates view groups items by plugins, themes, WordPress core, translations, and non-MainWP changes. Each update row can expand to show the items, and clicking on the count opens the related page in MainWP Dashboard. Next, let's look at Time Tracker. From the dashboard overview inside the extension, the Time Tracker card lets you start, pause, resume, and stop timers without opening MainWP Dashboard. You can create a new task tied to a client, site, and bucket, or you can start a quick local timer. Pause timers appear at the top, so you can come back and resume them later. Timer state is preserved even if the pop-up closes or the browser restarts. Time Tracker requires the MainWP Time Tracker extension to be installed and active on your MainWP dashboard. If it is not available, the browser extension will show a message letting you know. Now let's open Cost Tracker. The Cost Tracker view summarizes costs across your connected portfolio. You can review monthly and annual totals, see how many sites and costs are being tracked, check the cost breakdown by category, and review license expiration alerts, if any are expiring within the next 30 days. Finally, let's review settings. The Connection section stores your dashboard URL and credentials, includes the API key confirmation checkbox, and gives you the option to disconnect the dashboard. Appearance lets you choose light, dark, or System Auto. Monitoring controls the sync frequency, preferred currency for the cost tracker, and which data types to sync. Notifications controls desktop notifications for available updates, license expiration warnings, and sync errors. The About section shows the installed extension version and includes links to documentation, support, and MainWP homepage. There is also a Clear All Data option. This removes saved credentials, cached counts, cost tracker cache, and timer history from the browser. And that's the MainWP Browser Extension. Once it's connected, you can keep an eye on updates, time tracking, costs, and license alerts directly from your browser toolbar, while your MainWP Dashboard remains self-hosted and in your control. Thanks for watching this overview of the MainWP Chrome extension. Like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP.